Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Portfolio. First, access Adobe Portfolio as part of your Creative Cloud membership. You will then select a starting layout from many available options, which you can fully customize. Next, easily import existing projects from Behance or upload new creative work directly to your site. This platform provides a seamless way to begin building your professional online presence in just a few simple steps, making it incredibly user-friendly for all creatives. Once your initial setup is complete, you can begin crafting individual pages for your projects. Create as many new pages as needed to categorize your diverse body of work. Easily add high-resolution images, engaging videos, and descriptive text to each page, truly bringing your creative process to life. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows for effortless organization and rearrangement of all your content, ensuring a polished and professional presentation. Now, let's focus on making your portfolio uniquely yours. You have complete control over personalizing fonts, color palettes, and background designs to perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic. For a truly professional touch, consider integrating a custom domain name, giving your site a memorable and distinct address. Furthermore, Adobe Portfolio automatically optimizes your site for various screen sizes, ensuring a flawless viewing experience on all mobile devices. The final step is to share your incredible work with the world. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire portfolio, ensuring every detail is perfect. When you are completely satisfied, publishing your website is as simple as one click. Afterward, actively share your unique portfolio URL across all your social media platforms and professional networks to maximize its reach and attract new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.